what are you using ChatGPT for
All right.
in your business?
So the first things that will come to mind here of like, what do I need to use it for? What's all the writing that a laundromat owner needs to do in marketing? I can think of like probably 4 things right off the top of my head that probably everybody else is doing is you got to put posts up on your Google business profile, keep them coming. Probably got to write something for those posts. You've got to post on Facebook, Instagram, and you've also got to do your Google ads and your Facebook ads. And it's a lot of copywriting that you got to do. And it's hard to use the words that sell and resonate with people. And it can get overwhelming when you were trying to bust it out for a week's worth of content in one day, or maybe you're doing it every day and it's getting really annoying and it's time that you don't have. Maybe you forget a day and you think, oh God, that hurts me. But it's all dawned on me was one time we had to be shut down because of a hurricane that was blowing through here. And I stayed here at the store just to watch it because I was afraid of like, what if it breaks the glass? Because the whole front half of the store it's glass windows for a wall. So I was like, I'm going to stay here just to hold the place down in case anything happens. But the whole time there, I'm on my computer and I'm trying to get a bunch of posts for everything done and scheduled, ready to go so that I don't have to worry about it anymore. And still, even that, it took like a good 10 hours of work just trying to think of things to write. So anything that you can do to save yourself time, I mean, it goes back to the principle of speed. If we can save time, do it. And that's what we're gonna show you today here is ways that you can save time for writing these posts. And it doesn't just have to be marketing. It could also be some customer service emails or that you need to send back and forth. Or if you need to hire people, you can use it to just write a job posting to let people know, hey, this is a job opening that we have here. I mean, I wouldn't even know where to begin. I'm just not human resources oriented as far as how to write that and make it sound like an attractive job. I would hope that offering the wage that we offer would be enough. But no, you got to, people want more information. I can understand that. When I was looking for a job, I was always wanted more information, knowing what I'm getting into. And ChatGPT and AI in general can really help you with all these things. But even beyond that, I mean, if you need to create videos, it can help you a ton with that. If you need to create the descriptions for those videos, the titles, but also web pages, landing pages. I mean, landing pages was a big deal last time we spoke here, and it's still a big deal. And if you need to really power up the SEO on your website, or just how easy it is for search engines to find it, well, ChatGPT can help you with that as well.